Solving it perfectly is impossible. This is fair, not fair. Oh, this is the luckiest scramble in the world. It's so easy to solve it. Look how hard this is. Your scramble is so easy. I'm sure you could beat the world record, unlike me. Too bad. It is that I'm too lucky. How should I solve this? Is there even a way to solve it? Let me try. There should be a way. Come on, man. I'm never gonna solve this in my life. This cube is so hard to move, bro. I don't know how these people like this cube. This is so hard to move. You know that Rubik's cube, the Rubik's brand cube, that seems more better than this dumb gang cube. Okay, I'm gonna go buy that Rubik's brand.